Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing You're a Cheater, Clarence NYC. Let's get into it.
You're a cheater. I seen that one coming. You know what I'm saying? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clarence NYC, and it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute. A lot has been happening. You know what I'm saying? That has prevented me to be consistent on this page. I think about like 4 months ago I was posting, starting to be consistent, and then some bullshit happened, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know what happened, make sure you go to the Queen and Clarence channel. Make sure you go there to see what happened, you know what I'm saying? A lot has been going on, you know what I'm saying? I felt like me and Queen we both felt like we was almost under attack type shit. Like spiritually kinda, you know? Cause like so many things were happening.
God bless y'all. You never know what people going through. So God bless y'all. We praying for you and Queen. Praying for your family. I'm praying for my Petty family, actually. So God bless y'all. Take care. And keep your head up, y'all.
At once. That's why we just decided to go on vacation. And everybody thought we was doing it because of the other nonsense that was happening online. But it really was just trying to get away, you know, and take our mind from what happened and shit. But I'm truly, hopefully, I'm not going to sit here and make any empty promises and shit, but we back on it. We back on it, back on the main channel, back on every channel.
I see y'all. I see them. They up here uploading a lot, so that's great.
You know what I'm saying? We never stopped the couples channel, but we back on every channel now. But as you guys can see from the title, today's title is Your Assumptions About Me. I posted it on Instagram, asked people questions, what are your assumptions about me? And so a bunch of people replied and I got them on my phone. Yeah, so we about to get into it real quick. Before we get into this video, leave a comment, any comment. It could be negative, positive, but it helps the algorithm. So make sure you leave a comment, smash the like button, and make sure you share the video, man. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. That's the biggest.
That's right. Subscribe, y'all.
One of all, and post notifications.
Yeah, post notification, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click bell, become part of the squad.
On, because if not, you won't be knowing when I drop, and I need you to know when I drop, gang. But let's do it. So, assumptions about me. You take longer than Queen to get ready. I don't know. A lot of people think that. I mean, sometimes maybe, you know what I'm saying? But if I like my first outfit, because sometimes I go through outfits. If I like my first outfit, I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? Queen does take a long time. I think it would be like a 60-40. I think I'm ready before her maybe 60% of the time, and she's ready before me like 40. So I don't think that's that bad. And to my fellas out there, don't let the ladies make you feel bad for taking long to get ready. Like, that's not just like a woman thing. I don't like that. Like, if you want to look good, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it takes a change or two. You know what I'm saying? Putting pieces together is not always as easy as, like, you know what I'm saying, a girl just slipping on a dress and that's it. So don't let them make you feel bad and shit. That I never like that. You only wear white ups once. That's somewhat true. I would say twice. I would say 2 times would be the max. I don't know if you guys can see over here, but I have some forces right here. These are never worn. You know what I'm saying? So I got some on deck early. These right here, fresh as hell. Only wore once, but I wore gallery department pants with them. So there's like, the laces turn orange from like the lint and shit. So I really don't know what to do with these. I don't know. Maybe I could lint roll them or something, but these is pretty fresh. Wore them one time. So I would say that's not true. I would say so twice. No, that is true. So 1 or 2 times and then we're done. Because they just be creased, and I don't like Air Forces when they crease. I just can't do that, and I can't stand it. Comment right now if you can't stand it. Like, I can't stand creased white Air Forces. It blows mine. And for some reason, I feel like they turn yellow, too, after, like, 2 wears, and it's annoying. I feel like they be doing that on purpose. You be all the time, like, goddamn. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say, I be all the time. I wouldn't say that.
Like his woman. Like, leave him alone.
I think my girl make me, you You know what I'm saying? I'm very highly attracted to my shorty. Like she could just be walking, and then all I see is whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Like the cheeks is just, and then it's like the booty shorts is just eating. They getting ate up by the cheeks, and it's like I'm rocked. Like I'm rocked. Like that's it. I'm rocked. Like I'm highly attracted to her. You know what I'm saying? She could take off a sock. Like, you know what I mean? And I'm ready. But it's not like I'm just walking around just like, and my just hard all the time. Like, nah. We not no hornballs, you know what I'm saying? But like, if you I think if you're not like that around your shorty, I think there's a big problem. I think you have a bigger problem than what you think. You know what I'm saying? Because I think your shorty should turn you on. You know what I'm saying? Vice versa. You're a cheater. I seen that one coming. You know what I'm saying? We can act like we ain't see that one coming. You know what I'm saying? I think it's false. I mean, people been thinking that about me for since before I met Queen. Like, just people would look at me and think I'm like some kind of like F-boy or some shit. But to each his own, you know what I'm saying? If you feel like that, I don't know how you could feel like that by just looking at somebody. All my attractive people out there will probably agree with me because they've probably heard the same thing. But I don't know how you could just look at me and think that. But I literally just chill. I get my money. I stay home. You know what I'm saying? Chill with my son. Chill with CJ. Chill with my shorty. You know what I'm saying? And just I kind of stay out the way. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like going out. I don't like the clubs. I don't like, you know what I'm saying? Here and there is cool, but I literally, he innocent. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be chilling, but I know people gonna look at me.
Yeah, and like, how do you disprove that? Like, I can't prove to you that, you see him at home, you see them together all the time. Like he said, he grown man now. He got sons and stuff. He always grown man stuff.
Yeah, think otherwise, and it's cool. I'm so used to it. You're a jealous guy rather than nonchalant. There's not a jealous bone in my body, and I think everybody knows that. Even like my peers and people that, if you know me, you know I'm not a jealous person, bro. I use everything as motivation. I've never hated on another man. I've never looked at somebody and been jealous of their success. Even with my girl, I've never seen her around another man or another artist or another celebrity and been jealous. I don't really have a jealous bone in my body. I've been taught that from early, you know what I'm saying? I see someone's success and it motivates me, man. That's why I like being around successful people, because I feed off of that. I don't know if there's anybody else like that in here. Comment if you're like that too, because I'm more of I use everything as motivation. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I love being motivated. I think that's one of the best feelings when you look at something, you like, yo, I could do that, or yo, let's get that, or let's do this, or boom. I think it's one of the best feelings. So yeah, I'm not a jealous person, y'all. I think everybody somewhat knows that. Yeah, you a hoe because of the way you look like it's you got that whole look. These are the shits that I'm getting. It's crazy. You never even looked at engagement rings for Queen. That's actually a very good one, and I would have never came out and said that I did, but I did. I have looked at engagement rings. I think that's the furthest I'm gonna go. Someone said, I assume you have a little pick. I'm gonna watch my language because niggas love to yell at me. A little pick too, honestly. You just have that look. It's like, bro, I don't get it. I don't get how you could look at somebody and be like, oh, we got a little, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say and talk about my joint, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's false. You know what I'm saying? That's very false. Very false. I'm consistently giving big pick energy, you know what I'm saying? Because when you have you know what I mean? Like, when you proud of what you have, you walk a certain way. Like, I have nothing to prove. I don't have to yell. I'm so nonchalant because I just, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a very good time. You know what I'm saying? Just ask Queen. Niggas will tell you. You know what I'm saying? But I really do my thing, and I'm very proud of myself. If That makes sense. I assume you like traveling. I love being on vacation. I love being in different places, but I hate traveling. I hate the airplane, Ubers. I hate airports. I hate, I don't like the process. Like, if I could just teleport or man, just just be there, you know what I'm saying? I would love that. But traveling, the art of traveling, the process of traveling blows my mind. Packing, I hate packing. I hate unpacking. But I like being home. I do like being places though, because I love vacation. I just hate the plane ride to vacation. I hate customs. I hate all those the in-between stuff. If I could just go to Turks, it'll be fire. But it doesn't work like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure one of you smart people out there is gonna invent that one day, and you guys need to look out for me when it comes to that, because I would love that. I would pay for that. I would pay any amount of money for that. And don't mind me, I'm sitting here in this little thing because a lot of y'all know that I hurt my knees, so I got my knee up and my leg up and stuff. So you scared of heights? That's funny, bro, because I didn't know I was scared of heights until I went to New York. And I went to that summit shit with it got a clear floor, bro. So you're looking down and you're high as hell. You're on one of the highest buildings in New York, and they have a clear floor and you get to just look right down. I didn't like that. So I didn't know I was scared of heights until then. But yeah, I don't think it's heights. I think it's more confined spaces when you're real high. If that makes sense. When you dumb high, I don't like small balconies, but I'll go on any roller coaster, don't matter how tall it is, how high it is. I'll go on any roller coaster. I could go rock climbing. I would go hiking. I don't know if it's all the way heights, but a nigga don't confined spaces. Being that high in confined spaces just bothers me. You know what I'm saying? And unrealistic stuff a clear floor should never exist. You know what I'm saying? It should never. I honestly don't think you like Queen for real. I feel like you love her, but she ain't your type or your hype. I don't know what that necessarily means, but your hype. I think that's I kind of get that sometimes, but I think people take my laid backness and love being, even though it's been a little minute, love is new to me. You know what I'm saying? Growing up as a kid, it's I was never shown how to show love intimately or emotionally. You know what I'm saying? I've never seen my dad show my mom love or do things. So everything I'm doing right now is me doing, you know what I'm saying, or just wanting to do for my first time. You know what I'm saying? Not for the first time, but just doing off of me wanting to do it, or maybe seeing it on I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But every day I learn how to love, and I think Queen has helped me tremendously with that, on how to love, because some people don't know how to love. That was probably me when I first met Queen, you know what I'm saying? But I absolutely adore Queen. I love Queen with all my heart. You know what I'm saying? I'll do anything for her. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't have to ask for anything because I spoil her. You know what I'm saying? And I want it to forever stay like that. And as long as she knows that I love her, I think that's all that matters. I never do things for.
That's true. That is true.
Or the video or anything. I'm just being me, and I'm sorry if sometimes maybe me doesn't seem like it, you know what I mean? But I could care less if you guys think it or not, as long.
Right. And they've been so comfortable with each other. They've been with each other for a minute. And it's it really is a married kind of situation, because it's when you see somebody every day and y'all know y'all love each other, it may not come across as how everybody else expects it, because y'all have a routine, y'all have children together, so it's come on, y'all, get over it.
It's my shorty, and my family knows. That's really all that matters. Yeah, especially in the beginning when me and Queen was dating, we were getting that a lot. People were thinking I just don't understand. I'm just not that type of person, bro. I'm realistic. I'm a real person. I try to stay authentic as possible, and being around someone and acting like you love someone, it's just not my cup of tea. You love being a dad? I absolutely love being a dad. It's the best thing that has ever happened to me, honestly. It changed my life, made me a better man, a better person. Yeah. It's the best shit ever. All my fathers out there, shout out to all my fathers. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Best feeling in the world. You're never gonna marry Queen. Yeah, that's cap. You know what I'm saying? Me and Queen getting married. I tell you that. You know what I'm saying? We're getting married. Y'all not about to persuade me or push me to go any faster or slower than you guys want me to be. But me and Queen getting married. You know what I'm saying? That's my shorty. You know what I'm saying? That's my wife. And I love her to death. And I think things are, finally, like, they're getting better. Especially, like, it's not really me and her. It's like the outside noise, like my family, her family. Everything's, like, finally, just getting, it's, like, peaceful, So, like, who knows, maybe we getting a little closer. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all, then I'll be telling the world. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that's me answer the question.
You can tell us, Claire. We petty fam.
You don't want to drop your fire clothing brand for us anymore. Not true at all, bro. If there's anything that I want to do in this world, bro, is I want to provide y'all with fire clothes so y'all can wear and post and look good and feel good. And that's literally, I feel like that's literally what I was brought on this earth to do. I actually had a meeting today with a company that helps with that. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully when the terms are sent over, everything sounds good, because everything sounded good today. And hopefully we go through it, because sometimes I've been in this situation where I get so hyped and I get so excited because it's like, oh yeah, I finally got a team, or I finally got someone to get help, or I finally found a manufacturer, and then it falls through. So I don't want to get so excited, but bro, that's what I want to do in life, man. And that's what I've been brought here in this world, is to provide y'all with drip. And that's what I'm going to do, you know what I'm saying, before I leave here. So that's not true. You have a secret OnlyFans. And this is a man asking this, so that's fake pause. I do not have an OnlyFans. I've never been on OnlyFans. If you do see me on OnlyFans, you're getting scammed. So, yeah, make sure, you know what I'm saying? If you do see me on OnlyFans, make sure you tell me, because that's not me, bro. My assumption is that you're not very affectionate in public. I'm not that affectionate in public. Yeah, I could probably be more affectionate in public, but I've gotten certainly better with it. I don't mind public affection. It just doesn't hit me to do it, or like, you know what I mean? Turn around right now, Tonga, while it's raining before you cross the street. Like, I just never, like, it doesn't hit me to do that, you know what I'm saying? But like that, stuff like that, girls like and enjoy, think it's cute, you know what I'm saying? Think it's romantic. So it's something that I have put my mind to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta constantly remember to just, check up on your shorty with a kiss or a hold of the hand, you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely getting better with that, man. So that's not all the way true, but good assumption. You're scared to have a baby girl. I don't think I'm scared. Yeah, I am scared. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified to have a baby girl. You're absolutely right. It's just, having a son is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's kind of easy. Like, legend falls, it's like, get up, bro. Stop crying, bro. Wipe your tears. You good? You got a little cut. Let me put a Band-Aid on it. A girl, it's like, oh my god, why? You know what I mean? Like, why? You got a boo-boo? Like, can I take it away? Like, dear Lord, take me instead. I'll probably be wild dramatic with my daughter. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm probably gonna look at her like, said, like, I don't want her to ever feel hurt. You know what I mean? And realistically, it's just unrealistic. And I feel like in the world we live in today, I feel like women are not really respected. And yeah, it's very scary. It's a very scary situation. I assume that you're real closed off, but Queen brings out that silly side of you. That's true. A lot of y'all don't know, because, like, I feel like if you're not on my Twitch, if you're not tuning into my Twitch, or like you've met me in person, you don't know that I'm a very goofy person. I'm a very silly person. I joke all day. I'm not a serious person at all. I'm far, 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 far from being serious. Far from it. Man, make sure you tune into my Twitch, Clarence_NYC. You know what I'm saying? We go live at night sometimes during the day around 8, 9. So make sure you tune in. Yeah, like I'm far from a serious person, but you guys don't get to see all of that in like a 20-minute video. Man, if you get to know me, and like for me, you know what I'm saying? Not like family Clarence, not dad Clarence. Like I'm a silly person. You know what I'm saying? And I would recommend you to just get to know me a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? In the summer, you sometimes don't wear briefs. Yo, I probably went commando
Why do I care? Leave his stuff alone, y'all.
before. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. I've went commando before, especially when you got some short shorts on. It's really like when you got boxers on, it make the short shorts really short, like and really tight. You know what I'm saying? But if you go commando, it's like way more comfortable, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? But I've never done that in the street. Always like that. I think I've went commando on vacation sometimes. Sometimes you just want to put a pair of trunks on, nice trunks. Sometimes they be having that lining, that swim trunk lining in the middle, and you just want, like, you can't really wear boxer briefs with that, so don't, yeah. So I've definitely went commando before, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. Like the beef just all out, facts. You're too cocky. I don't like the word cocky. I feel like I'm a confident person. I know what I'm capable of. I know that I'm special. I think that I'm special. It doesn't really matter if you think I'm special. I'm not gonna let your thoughts or anything make me feel any kind of way. So I don't know. If you want to call that cocky, I don't think I'm cocky, because I'm also not the person to throw my success or throw my money or throw my material things into people's face. Like I you know what I'm saying? I'm not that kind of person, and I know a lot of those kind of people. Yeah, if you're not confident, my confidence might rub you the wrong way, and I think that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like other people that's getting to it never kind of feel like I'm cocky. You don't really like being a stepdad to CJ. That's false. That's false. I feel like in the beginning I was definitely very iffy about it, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't sure. In the beginning, I always said, like, I want my girl, like my first kid to be my girl's first kid, you know what I'm saying? And I wasn't sure about the whole stepdad thing, you know what I'm saying? Growing up, my mom made sure I never had a stepdad, so I don't even know how that dynamic is, you know what I'm saying? So that's another thing that I learned every day, and I've been learning over the years. But even though I felt like that, I've grew to love CJ, and CJ loves me. We have a great relationship. Yeah, I think me and CJ play more than me and Legend. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, CJ's my guy, man, and I'm always be there for him. I know he needs me, you know, and I'm always be there for him for sure. Like I know how it is to grow up in like I guess a half broken home, I guess, and I know how that feels, and you be feeling left out sometimes, and I just never want him to feel like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'll always be there no matter what for CJ, for sure. I assume you're selfish and only think about yourself. Oh man, that's so wrong. That couldn't be any more wrong. And I sometimes I don't like these videos because it's like, of course you're gonna say you're not selfish, like, but it's like I'm really not selfish, gang. I think about Queen, CJ, and Legend more than I think about myself, and that's facts. I think about them before I think about myself. I think about how they gonna feel. I think about what would affect them. I think what I would say would affect them. You know what I'm saying? And I always make sure I think about like others first. You know what I'm saying? I will give the shirt off my back to anybody. You know what I'm saying? If you need it, you know what I'm saying? I got you. You know what I mean? Maybe sometimes I could say the wrong thing on Twitch or something, or say something and I'm being selfish or acting out of emotion, like going back and forth over the internet with, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I think those be my little selfish moments. It's like, nah, like, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm not a selfish person, gang. I'm really not. You let Queen suck your gooch. Nah, we haven't did the gooch yet. We really haven't did the gooch yet. I'm not that, like, you know what I'm saying? I think that's it's a little close to like, you know what I'm saying, your bum. And I'm not sure if I wanna, you know what I'm saying? Cause if Joints is licking a gooch, your next step is, you know what I'm saying, you're getting 8 out. Like, let's just call it what it is. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not ready to take that huge step yet. So that hasn't happened. You're lazy and you live off Queen. couldn't be more untrue. You know what I'm saying? I think I have, like, probably over the couple years, I have been maybe lazy. The big factor of me being lazy and keeping me lazy, I would think would be the weed or the Tina, whatever you want to call it. I don't want to get yellow, but yeah, the Tina. You know, the Tina Turner, like rolling. You know how you rolling. For y'all that don't know, I stopped. You know what I'm saying? I stopped doing that. You know what I'm saying? I felt amazing. I feel different. I feel, you know what I'm saying? I feel I have a clearer mind. I could feel, you know what I'm saying? I felt like I haven't been feeling in, like, you know, in quite some time. So I think that was a big
Congratulations. That's a big achievement.
factor. But one thing about me, even through all of that, is I'm gonna get me some money. You know what I'm saying? I've been lazy with my potential and what I could do and my clothes and other things that's outside of what I already know. So yeah, so it's like half true, like a little lazy, you know what I'm saying? But I take care of my house. I take care of us. I definitely do my part financially, mentally, spiritually, all of that. You know what I'm saying? Me and Queen, we do work hard for what we have, you know what I'm saying? Even though we're not where we want to be, but you know what I'm saying, we definitely work hard for what we want. Definitely don't live off Queen don't live off me. You know what I'm saying? We handle business together as a team for sure. All right, I'm gonna do like one or two more. You're really a lover boy. I'm fake a lover boy, I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I like to be loved. You know what I'm saying? So you're actually mad emotional, which is another true. I'm an emotional man for sure. I'm passionate about things, and passion is an emotion. I'm very passionate about who I love, who I care about, who I live with, who I'm with, my kids, all of that. I'm passionate about what I love, you know what I'm saying? So for sure, I'm pretty emotional if you ask me. Let's do one more. You be spending all Queen. Yeah, I think that's the oldest. You be spending all of Queen money. I have my own money. I'm very well off. Again, not where I want to be, but I do have, you know what I'm saying, my own. I'm doing very well for myself and for my family, you know, and Queen has never gave me $1. We have separate accounts, so that doesn't, you know what I'm saying, we don't share money, like, at all. Like, at all. No access. She doesn't have access to mine. I don't have access to hers. And we have separate accounts. We do have a joint account that all the family brand deals and YouTube goes into there. You know what I'm saying? That's where the bills come out of for her separately. She doesn't have to spend her money. Me separately, I don't have to spend my money. Money comes out of here to pay for everything we live in here. You know what I'm saying? So it's actually for you guys that are in a couple, this is my advice to you. Even my therapist said, like, that's amazing, because a lot of couples just immediately just join everything and now it's fights and all that. No, Queen, you could stack up over here. Clarence, you could stack up over here. Boom, we continue to work together right here, and everything comes out of right here. And I think that's one of the best things we've done since being together, man. It's no bumping heads, no arguments. She doesn't have to ask me if she wants to buy something. I don't have to ask her. Like, it's no, because I've seen that too. I've been out with, like, some of my friends, and it's like, yo, babe, can I do this? Like, I need, like, no, like, you know what I'm saying? You got your own, I got my own, and then, you know, this pays for our life and for us to live, you know what I'm saying? But that is the last assumption, guys. I'm about to head out of here right now. I'm about to actually go on stream right now. If you haven't called me on stream, I try to do every other day around like 9 p.m. So just make sure you come tune in. What's up, baby boy? Look at my boy right there. Look at Legend.
Hey, Legend.
Hi.
I'm doing a video. You smell like outside, boy. Can I get a hug and a kiss or nah? Yay! Give me 5. Love you, boy. He's hyped to see me. But yeah, I'm about to go on Twitch for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Do my reactions. Today was actually a very productive day. You know what I'm saying? This is what the Tina hasn't allowed me to do in a very long time. You know what I'm saying? It's actually been a productive week. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I love that for me. You know what I'm saying?
I'm here.
I see you, buddy. But yeah, I'ma holla at y'all. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Again, make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all comment if y'all think I'm capping, if y'all think I'm lying, if y'all think I'm telling the truth, if y'all love me, if y'all hate me, make sure y'all leave a comment, smash that like button, and make sure you're subscribed with the bell notifications on. I love y'all, and I catch y'all next video. And make sure you comment other video ideas that I could do and what y'all would like to see on this channel.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.